Okay, so this is the Chaos engine in Extra Half Brite palette. It's interesting, you do get a bit more performance. So we're playing this AGA game. Oh, I just got hit. It's definitely slower than what it is. We've always got the option of RTG, but it's interesting to see how the colours and how it's a different screen mode. And yeah, there's life in this. It's Denise. There's more that can be done. The green frogs are here. I'm sure it's just a matter of optimization. Let's see if I can just split it up a bit. No. Try now. I need to create some kind of frame skip detection. Don't know how fast I'm going, but yeah, that's how the colours look. We'll try another game. Okay, we'll try Alfred Chicken in Extra Half Brite. So yeah, EHB, Extra Half Brite palette, 64 colours I guess in total, but, 32 shades. It always does this sound, I don't know why. So there you go, another game that is playable. An original chipset, so you don't need RTG to use this to play AGA. You can play AGA just with your PyStorm on your old workbench. It doesn't require any specific libraries. I think it's just... Whoa! Looks great. It looks good too. You've got a bit of frame skip, but these are the compromises you make if you want to run AGA on non-AGA hardware using software. So that's another game that works. What else is going to work? Okay, let's give Alien Breed 2 AGA a go. Extended, whatever, Extra Half Brite, 64 colours, enhanced chipset. Okay. Again, playing AGA on the Amiga 500. And this could be done, I guess, with the Amiga 2000s, Amiga 1000. PyStorm Classic with a Pi 4 or a CM4. Have not tried any of this with any smaller Pi. I just don't think it would do too well. Maybe an RTG you could have some playable stuff. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's definitely playable, and in fact I can easily slow down. Oh, let's remove the frame skip. Okay, so that's definitely slowed down things too much. That's better. I've got no idea what doing this game. This thing's fine. Well, there you go. Good time to stop. Hit the asterisk key, go back into this and find something else. Okay, we'll try body blows. Well, that's pretty impressive. Wow, it's a pretty good effect. Wow. Extra Half Brite. Wow. It's always reflection and stuff. Wow. There you go, playing AGA games. Why am I half asleep here? Come on. This is so annoying. Okay, probably not the best choice. Okay, so this is Banshee in 64 colours. Interesting to see how fast we get into the game. There you go. Downscaled image. Still pretty impressive. Right, Banshee. Well, it comes slow, which means we can probably speed them up. Still a good looking game. you go. I've got terrible glare on the monitor, so it's a shame. Just blocked it off there, be good.